So black sheep biker, we've talked about.
The complete lack of panic that saved this biker from trouble.
So there's gonna be something in the road, went over it. He's gonna go ahead and talk to the owner of that, but thankfully it was just going across perpendicular. But you saw how he slammed that front brake, a little bit of a panic. Remember, you want to blip that throttle a little bit because it's gonna raise that front end of your motorcycle just a little bit, or at least raise the weight, so it's gonna go over it nice and easy. Thankfully, it was something this big, not big at all. That's what she said.
Boom! Right, but...
Anyways, John Patrick with the nice music. We got a side of the vehicle. Intersection, we should be in orange stage. Ooh, he's orange. He got out of that situation. Nice evasive maneuver. I have a green light, doesn't stop. Okay, green doesn't always mean go, but he's recognizing this person, uncommon thing. He planned his ride a little bit better than most. He moved over a little bit, but I did see a little bit of panic braking, a little bit of that. And that's what's causing him to get angry. So when you panic, you're in fight or flight mode, and a lot of people like to fight. So van jumps. Okay, here we go. What's going on here? Motorcycle squitter. What's going on? Is this street? Whoa. I was gonna say his vest. Is that protective? That's kind of cool. He waved and apologized. Okay, so the van might have pulled out in front of him. He was going, didn't see him, almost got hit. Kind of hard to see with that camera angle. Here we go. We're going through here. Sun in our back. Okay. Whoa, watch out. This person's coming all the way across. Move over. Good job. It looks like he accelerated a little bit, so he did get himself out of that situation with a good escape path. But that person went across 2 lanes, apologetic. Still pissed me off if it was me, but we're moving on. All right, so Tyler Haig.
And the driver who cut him off contributed to a rather dangerous situation.
Okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, was that a real cutoff? I didn't really see that, but here's the thing. The person applied brake pressure. The rider applied brake pressure. The rider could also switch and move lanes. Remember, position for safety is not just about staying in your lane. You have to find those escape paths with the location and just adapt to the hazard. Just adapt a little bit. Not a big deal. Paying attention. White stage was not paying attention, zoned out. Now you impacted the vehicle and have to deal with insurance. Oh my gosh. Hopefully there's no incident. Sometimes it's just better not to talk to insurance because it's the deductible. That might buff out. Cross the continuous line, goes straight onto turn only lane. Okay. Now that could just, I was gonna say it could have been a new rider not knowing how to ride, but it looks like he wanted to do that. We're moving through here. Moving across. Remember, lane filtering, low visibility of hazards, and that kind of situation. Big open lane, you guys saw that, right? We're in the middle of it. There's that path of travel. Somebody wants to get into that open lane. That was right there. So if you see that pattern, make sure you're prepped and ready. Always orange stage in lane filtering. It's just automatic. If you're lane filtering, orange stage, covering those brakes. Not doing this. This is hauling ass. Not very smart. We're gonna see if we can go through it. Maybe another open spot. Is there another open spot? Okay, there's one open spot there. So you're constantly scanning. He did good with the brake pressure though. He did good progressive brake pressure moving through here. Let's see if this person does good progressive brake pressure. Yes, he does. Or she, I don't know.
No,
this rider did.
It's probably a bit exaggerated, which upset the driver even more.
Hey, Italian. No, remember, big open lane. Person wanted to move through. We see this all the time. This is a merge issue out on the road. Intersections, merging, cornering, just so common. It's so common. I don't want you guys making this mistake. Okay, I really don't want you making this mistake. Remember, we need to go and prepare for this and be in orange stage and not zone out. We need to be searching these things. Right now, he's not doing what he's supposed to be doing. Hey. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Pretty dumb. Pretty dumb.